Hello world, this is Siraj. Welcome to this Mac Chats. In this video, we are going to discuss about the breakout rooms in Zoom video conferencing meeting. There are a lot of advantages of using Zoom video conferencing meeting, but there are few special advantages of using breakout rooms in Zoom video conferencing meeting. For example, you can conduct interview, or you can pool your students into a number of groups, and you can create a platform for them to have a group discussion or a brainstorming session. I'm going to explain all of them in a step-by-step manner. So let's get started. First of all, you can go to the Zoom website and you can access your Zoom account. Once you access your Zoom account, you can see different tabs here. Here I'm going to click on the settings tab. If I click on the settings tab, I can see groups of settings here in the left side. Here you can see in-meeting advanced setting. If I click on the in-meeting advanced setting, here I can see breakout room. You have to enable this breakout room. Once you enable this breakout room, here you can see two settings. Advanced setting, allow host to assign participant to breakout rooms when scheduling. First checkbox, it means you can allow your host to assign participant into different breakout rooms. So I need this feature, so I'm going to check in this control. And next we have allow host to broadcast message to participants. If you enable this, your host can send broadcast message to the participants who are in different breakout rooms. So I need this feature, so we'll check this checkbox and click on the save button to save these changes. After hosting your Zoom meeting, in the bottom side, you can see several different controls as usual. And the last control is more. You can click on the more, you can find breakout rooms. You can click on there. And here you can set the number of groups that you're going to have. Here I'm going to set 13. And here you can see a couple of options, assign automatically, assign manually. I'm going to select the third option. I'm going to click on the create button. So my students can select the room that they want to join. So here you can see this window. In this window you can see room numbers from room number 1 to room number 13, and you can see a delete and rename button. The bottoms you can see different controls here. The corner we have options. Once you click these options, you can see the three options that we have seen earlier. Allow participants to choose room and other options. So you can change the options here as well. And next we have the breakout rooms close automatically after, so you can set the duration. So I'm going to make it as 30 minutes and notify me when time is up, so you can get the notifications. And here we have countdown. So before you close the breakout rooms, you will get the countdowns, so you can set the seconds or durations to have the countdown. So after completing all of this, we can click on the open all rooms, and you can see all the participants are being joined into different breakout rooms based on the group number. You can close this dialog box and you can come back clicking on the more and breakout rooms to the same dialog box. And here you can see unassigned participants and the number of rooms with the participant details. Now the participants are being joined into different breakout rooms. And here you can see unassigned participants, and you can click on the assign to, and you can assign into different groups based on their group numbers, or based on different conditions. You may get this message box if your students request any help from their breakout rooms, and you can click on join breakout rooms and you will be joining to room number 13. So the request from room number 13, so you are joining into room number 13. And you can communicate with the specific students, and you can sort out the problems there.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
In this breakout rooms, you can see most of the familiar controls that we are using in Zoom video conferencing meeting. For example, you can click on the participants. You can see the participants who are in these breakout rooms. Here you can find a control leave room. If you want to leave from this breakout rooms, you can click on this leave room. And here we have different options. Here we have leave breakout rooms. If you click on this leave breakout rooms, you will be leaving from this particular breakout rooms, and you will be returning into main session. And here we have main session, and you can see the main session participants, and you can click on breakout rooms and you can see the breakout rooms participants, room number 1 participants, and here you can see join button, and you can click yes to join room number 1. Okay, so now we are joining into room number 1.
Learn more independently. At the same time, they will take more responsibility for learning process. By the way, they especially improve the performance in study, students' English and on writing skills.
Details and how to do the presentation and
Yes, exactly. Yes, and how we are going to do the presentations, what task we have, okay, and who is going to present first, who is going to present next, okay, and the slides arrangement, and who is going to share the screen. If you have any queries or doubts, you can call me. I will be in some other groups. You can just call me. I will be there.
In every breakout rooms, we can give the privilege to students to share their screens. We can come to the share screen and you can enable multiple participants can share their screen simultaneously. Then the students can share their screen and then they can make the presentations or they can do the group discussions effectively. While you are in breakout room sessions, you may get this message and you can decide to keep your breakout rooms open or you may close your breakout room. So I'm going to click on this button to keep the breakout rooms continue for another couple of minutes. And here you can see the participants details and you can click the join buttons and to join in some other group, something like this that we have performed earlier. Now we are joining into group number 8.
G072 Bhagya. I am going to start our presentation on behalf of my team. So today our topic is impacts of ICT on entertainment. So when we move to our next slide,
and
you can see the members of our group on
number
your
8
screen.
Students are doing their group task, group discussions with a presentation. Here we are getting a message box that 19MG168 in room number 17 asks for a help. So we'll click on join breakout rooms button to join room number 17. Another feature of breakout rooms is broadcast message to the participants. So we'll click on breakout rooms and here you can find broadcast message to all. So I'm going to click there. So here you can type the message and you can click on the broadcast message. After completing all of your group task and group discussion, you can come to close all rooms to close your breakout rooms. If you click this close all rooms, here you can get the time count. So after this particular seconds, all of your breakout rooms will be closed. So you're going to click on leave breakout rooms to return to main session. Now we come back to main session and you can see the participants 67, 68, it is being increased gradually. So that's the main things that we want to discuss in breakout rooms of Zoom video conferencing meeting. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the ring bell. Then you will be notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye for now.